Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Mint Mobile app. First, download the app from your device's app store and log in with your credentials. The home screen provides an immediate overview of your current data usage and plan expiration date. You can easily access your account details, manage your plan, and explore available add-ons. This app is your central hub for all things Mint Mobile, making self-service incredibly convenient and straightforward. Managing your data and plan is simple with the Mint Mobile app. The main dashboard clearly displays your remaining high-speed data, often shown as a percentage or in gigabytes. You can also see when your current plan is set to expire. If you find yourself needing more data, a few taps allow you to purchase a data add-on, ensuring you stay connected without interruption. It's designed for quick and efficient self-service. The Mint Mobile app makes managing your billing and renewals effortless. You can review your complete billing history, including past payments and upcoming charges. To avoid any service interruptions, consider enabling auto-renewal directly within the app. This feature automatically renews your plan using your saved payment method. You also have the flexibility to explore and switch to a different plan that better suits your needs, all from one convenient place. For any questions or account adjustments, the Mint Mobile app has you covered. You can access a detailed FAQ section to find quick answers to common inquiries. If you need further assistance, the app provides direct links to contact customer support via chat or phone. Additionally, you can securely update your personal details, change your password, or manage your payment methods, ensuring your account information is always current and protected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.